Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant chaired the 179th board meeting of Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited on July 23, 2020. The meeting discussed on various aspects pertaining to GSIDC and major decisions were taken after discussing on it. All works related to Goa Dental College and Hospital at Bambolim were approved, and it was told that the building will be ready within next 6 months. Major facelift work related to Goa Legislative Assembly complex to be taken up with project cost of around rupees 7 crores. The meeting also discussed on new High Court complex building, and it was told that the same will be completed by December 2020. One-stop center at Bambolim to be constructed under central scheme to support women affected by violence in society, family, community and workplace so as to provide them integrated support and assistance which include legal, psychological and counseling. It was also discussed on construction of hotels at Government College at Sakri, Webpam and Khandola under Rashtriya Shiksha Abhiyan. Shri Joshua Peter D'Souza, Vice Chairman of GSIDC, and Shri Srinit Kotwale, Managing Director, and others were present on the occasion. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.